More than 509 years have passed since October 31st, 1517, when Martin Luther posted his 95 Theses on the door of the Castle Church, or All Saints Church, in Wittenberg, Germany. Its purpose was to correct the perceived errors he saw in the church. This event became the catalyst for what is known as the Protestant Reformation. Because of this, Luther separated from the Catholic Church, the church established by Christ himself. But after more than half a millennium, an important question deserves our reflection. What was the fruit of the Reformation? Before long, conflicting viewpoints immediately emerged within the movement. Even the reformers themselves could not agree on many foundational doctrines. Consequently, various denominations began to form, each carrying its own interpretation of Holy Scripture. Over the centuries, this fragmentation continued. The groups that splintered off divided even further, and new denominations continually gave birth to even more denominations. Today, it is estimated that there are over 45,000 Christian denominations worldwide. Many of them claim to possess the true understanding of Christianity, and many likewise claim that the Catholic Church is wrong. But here is a vital question. If the Catholic Church is wrong, why does it remain completely one in faith, doctrine, and sacraments across the entire world, while those who separated from it continue to experience ongoing division? The number 45,000 is no small figure. It is not just 100, not 1,000, and not even 10,000. These are tens of thousands of different denominations holding conflicting beliefs on many core matters of faith. Through a careful study of history and church teachings, three primary roots are often uncovered behind this fragmentation: deception, division, and false worship. And in the midst of all this is the cry we so frequently hear: freedom in truth. But what is the true meaning of this freedom? Did separation truly bring about greater unity? Or does this problem stem from a much deeper root? Don't go away, because in this video, we will examine the history, the facts, and the root causes of the continuous division within Christianity. Para sa buong video, i-click ang link na nasa description at comment section.